This video has been created in order to give you an alternative to Fire FTP. What you can do first is Google Fire FTP. I'm sorry, not Fire FTP, but you want to Google FileZilla, and you want to go directly to the web page. There are some other options that, but this might be the one that you feel the safest doing. You can click download FileZilla client or server, depending on which one that you want. We want to transfer a file, so you want the client. Okay, so once you've clicked and downloaded it, installed it, then you want to open up the actual program, and you'll probably get a message about updates, or maybe not. If you do, we're going to hit close. For the things that we're going to use it for, it's not imperative that we have the most recent version. This will work fine. So to start, we're going to go to File, Site Manager, and there you see there's a dialog box that's very similar to the one that's in File FTP. You want to click New Site, and I've already started one, so I'm not going to do another one, but you would press New Site. And then as your host, you want to use tipwebclass.colab.duke.edu. You want all this information here. tipwebclass.colab.duke.edu. Okay? And your protocol is going to be, it probably looks like FTP, but you want to click the box and switch it to SFTP. The login type might say anonymous, but you want it to say normal, so you can enter the username and password that I sent you in your email. This one is a little bit simpler because you're not going to do anything in any of the other tabs. Let those stay as they are. But once you have filled in all your information, tipwebclass.colab.duke.edu, SFTP, normal logon, your username and password, you want to click Connect. And if you look at the box, well, it's going to prompt you to say, do you trust this server? Do you want to be able to access it? And I'm going to say yes. Click OK. And look in the box, and if you've successfully connected, then you'll see in the last line where it says successful. Similar to Fire FTP, on the left side you have access to all of your local files on your computer, and on the right side the server information would appear. So if again you see home, you double click on it, you can see all the folders in the home main folder. You're going to find yours, so I would scroll down. I want to double click on Smith, and or actually I want to double click on, yeah, I could here so you can see it, but it's the same exact thing. And then I'm going to select public_HTML. Okay, and now you can see all the files that have been uploaded so far. So if there was another file that I wanted to get from the web, or I don't know what else I might have. I think I might have had a downloads folder that I could have grabbed something from. But at any rate, wherever I want to pull files from, I can grab those files from the folder and drag them over. And you notice it says successful once those files have been moved over. This one says you want to overwrite because I obviously have two files that are the same. I'm going to do page 1. I think that doesn't say page 2. Maybe it doesn't. Okay. So I have a page 1, so I'm good. I'm not going to change that then. And then I'm just going to drag the images folder over. I just drag the puppy over. Okay. I'll overwrite what was there. Now, all my files that said successful, once I moved them over and essentially uploaded them from my computer to the server. So now how do I test out that the files work? So I'm going to try to access page2.html. So in order to do this, I'm going to open up the browser. I'm going to type in my host first, which is again tipwebclass.colab.duke.edu / then I'm going to do the tilde mark, type in my username, / and the page that I want to access. Okay, and that's the page that I wanted to access, and it pulls up fine. So because there's not C:// documents under it or for it, that I know that it's pulling it straight from the server, and so it's been uploaded correctly. Hopefully this helps and provides a useful alternative to FireFTP.